Hey, what's up guys? It's Saint Joe here again. In this video, we are going to be talking about Raido Finance account creation and verification, and I'm so glad to have you in this course. I want to use this opportunity to thank you once again for picking up the course, Exchanger Business Code. So we're going to walk straight into what we have for today. As usual, we're going to head over to our browser. Okay, you can actually do this in two ways. You can actually do it with the mobile app. Just head over to the App Store or to the Play Store and download the app Raido Finance. Raido Finance. Let me just write that down in a notepad for you. So once you download the app, okay, here we go. Raido Finance, right? Is a licensed financial institution, right? So just download that on your device and register, okay? But if you are doing that with your laptop or your desktop, then you can ride with me with this section, but it's the same, okay? Same procedure. All right, so we go over to their official website, Raido. As usual, like I told you guys in the previous video, for you not to get scammed or for you not to run into the bad hands, just search for it on Google, and then it's always the first to be displayed, right? So you just click on that. It will take you straight to their official website. So that's the logo for those who are downloading on their mobile device, okay? So once you're on the platform, all you just need to do is to click on create an account. Now it's going to pop up this for you. So you are going to enter in, first of all, your country code, and currently I am in Nigeria. I've not traveled out yet, so I'm going to be using 234 because I'm still in Nigeria. If you want to take me out of this country, please kindly do so. God bless you. So 64329013. I love my country anyway, but I still want to test some other places. Okay, so the email address we are going to be using right now is okay, let's use the previous email address we used during sexcrypto.com account creation. internetservice@gmail.com. okay, so you remember what I told you guys about creating a password. So one capital letter, Texo Academy, then you add letters to it, 2020, you add special numbers at. You are doing this for security reasons, okay? So I'm going to repeat that process. Okay, password not equal. Why is it not equal? This Texo. Okay, this is it, double A over there. Okay, so that's it. So you check this to confirm. All right, so you submit, right? So I'm not going to save this because I already have an account with these guys. So here we go. Two things involved. SMS code has been sent to your phone number, and also an email code has been sent to your email address. So email on just entered my email right now, so I'm going to enter it right away. 475852. So I'm waiting for the SMS code. This one usually takes a little time, but we are going to wait. Just a moment. Okay, the code just landed, 322531. okay, so that's it. So if you didn't receive the code, just click on resend code. So I'm going to submit this right away. Awesome. You will need to pass additional verification to continue transaction. That's awesome. So we are heading over to verification. Now we've created a Raido account. Okay, so it's going to ask you, okay, whether you are doing this as an individual or you are doing this as a company, right? So you select an individual. So this verification is going to authorize you to buy cryptocurrencies using this platform, right? So I'm selecting as an individual because me alone is not a company. Okay, let's wait for that to load up. Okay, so it is a 3-step verification. First one is proof of identity. Second one is your selfie, that you're going to snap yourself picture and send to them, right? Then the last one is your proof of address. So I'm going to be explaining each and every step. I'm going to be explaining each and every step. Okay, for the proof of address, they just want to know who you are. So it is called KYC, know your customers. They want to know you, they want to get to know you, right? So the various proof of address that you can, proof of identity that you can actually use is your international passport. You can also use your driver's license, which is what I'm going to be selecting because that's what I have. Okay, you can also use your ID, right? You can use your ID. That's if you are making use of the plastic national ID or the plastic voter's card. You can also use your residence permit, right? So yeah, that's what you're going to do. So don't zoom it, right? Don't make it small, just keep it natural. Can you see the one marked green? Like I told you guys, our color for this course is green. So wherever you see green, just flow with that. Okay, so you are going to upload the front of your ID card as well as the back of your ID card after this, right? Now once you are done with proof of identity, it gets submitted. The next thing you are going to do is to snap yourself a photo. Okay, that's selfie. You're going to snap yourself, and after submitting this, you're going to do what we call proof of address, right? Proof of residence. Now for the proof of residence, what you need for it is your bank statement. I always recommend a bank statement that has your full name and it has your address, and the address that is acceptable is address such as number 2 Texas Academy Street, number 2 Texas Academy Street, Abuja, Nigeria. This kind of address, right? Another address that can also be accepted is flat 2 number 8 Texas Academy Street. Please, we don't have Texas Academy Street, so I'm just giving an instance. Okay, flat 2 number 8 Texas Academy Street, Abuja, Nigeria. All right, so some banks don't put Nigeria, so but it carries your states, your streets, your street number or your flat number, your house number. Okay, there are some addresses that has house 10 Gwarimpa Estate, Abuja, that kind of stuff, right? So that's the kind of address that can actually be approved without delay. Another address that, if you have such address such as, let's say Angwan Gede Kuje, Abuja, if you have such address, you are not going to be approved, right? You're not going to be approved because there is no specific address to this. I don't know if you understand the difference. There's no specific address, and these guys want to know where exactly are you staying, where exactly are you living. Should in case something happens, they can actually trace you back to your location. they are financial institutions, so they need to know you to the core. All right, so do well to provide them with a valid address, and I've just given you 2 instances, right? So this is just the way you can approve you can register and verify your Raido Finance account. Okay, I'm not going to complete these steps because I'm using the same proof of identity. Okay, I don't have to driver's license, so I don't want to complicate things here, but that's the process that you are going to walk through when you are registering for your Raido Finance account. Okay, so walk over this account registration and activation, the KYC process, and I am going to see you right in the next video.